So what if I told you there is a job title that did not exist 5 years ago, but businesses are desperately looking for right now? And the thing is that a lot of people have not even heard about it before. Yes, it is called AI automation specialist. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what it is, what they do all day, and whether it could be your next career move. So stay with me. This could just be the next big move for you. Let me paint you a picture right now. Somewhere right now, there is a business owner, maybe running an agency or a consulting firm or even growing a startup. And every single day, there is someone in their team that is doing something manually, maybe copying and pasting leads into a spreadsheet, or maybe sending the same follow-up messages to every new client, or even writing weekly reports just by hand, or even responding to the same customer questions over and over again. And they know it is a problem. They know it's wasting their time and is wasting money, but they have no idea of how to fix it. And that's where you come in as an AI automation specialist. An AI automation specialist is someone who builds a system that helps businesses to run automatically without even needing a human to do it manually every time. So think like it this way. The same way your alarm comes up every morning without you even setting it up every time. That right there is automation. So it is set once and then it works forever until you tweak it. So imagine you doing that for an entire business. Maybe when a new customer fills out a form online, automation is going to capture their details, is going to send them a welcome message, and is also going to add them to a CRM automatically. Or when a client project is completed, automation is going to send an invoice, is going to request a review, and also notify the team. All of that automatically. Or maybe someone asks a common questions online on their website, AI automation is going to answer it instantly, and it works 24/7 with no human intervention. So those are just a few examples of what you build as an AI automation specialist. So you are the person who looks at a business, you find where time is being wasted, and then you build a system that fixes it. And the best part is that you don't even need to be a programmer to do this. So let's talk about the day-to-day activity of an AI automation specialist. Now, number one thing that they do is that they actually consult. So you ask your clients to walk you through their daily operations. You ask them where they are doing the same thing over and over again. You see, that conversation alone is worth money to them. Now, the number two is you map the workflow. You be the one to come up with the diagram of the process based on the process that was explained to you in the phase one, which is the consult. So you be the one to come up with what come up first, what happened next, and where does the information go. So basically, you be the one to create and design the blueprint. Now, number three is that you build the automation. And how do you build the automation? You actually make use of some no or low code tools like Make, Anything, Zapier, or AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT with APIs. So you be the one to build a system that does the work automatically for them. And the number four is that you test and then you hand over the project. So what you do is you test the system first, you ensure that it works according to what you have described, and then you show the client. And at times you have to train their team on how to use it, and then you get paid. It's that simple. And here is something that people try to avoid talking about. The thing is that most of the clients you work with will come back, because once a business tastes how automation works and they see it in real life, they want more. So they will have to reach out to you to build something for them. We are in a moment where AI tools have become incredibly powerful, but most businesses don't even know how to use them yet. So there is a massive gap between what's possible and what businesses are actually doing currently. And that gap, that's where your opportunity lies. So currently, companies are not looking for developers to write code for them from scratch. They are currently looking for people who understand their business problems and then how to connect the right tools to solve that problem. And that's actually you that they are looking for as an AI automation specialist. So now, to answer your question, what is an AI automation specialist? It is actually someone who bridges the gap between powerful AI tools and then real business problems. So it's a career that pays well, and currently it is in high demand, and it doesn't even require a computer science degree to get started. So before I go, if this video got you thinking seriously about automation as a career, I want to tell you something I'm currently building, and it is called AI Automation Engineer from scratch. It is a world-class course that can be used across all industries and all over the world. It is a 4-month program, and it is designed specifically for complete beginners without no code background or no tech experience at all. So by the end of the course, you would have real hands-on skills to build automation systems for businesses and also the confidence to charge for it. And this is what actually makes this course different. At the end of every week, we will have a live progress session. We're going to talk about what you have learned so far, your blocker, and then we're going to fix whatever the blocker may be and also prepare you for the next week. So you are not just watching a video alone, but you have someone in your corner with experience that is also going to walk you through whatever blocker you may have. So right now, I'm taking the very first set of students at a launch price of $100. So once the first 10 spots is filled up, the price is going to move back to $250. And I promise you, it's not going to go back down. So the link is in the description. If you're serious about this, you can just click on it and then we're going to meet. And if you're not ready for the course yet, that's also okay. But what I need you to do is just hit the subscribe button, because this is the first video in the series where we're going to be walking you through everything about AI automation.